Hello everyone, I'm Richard with Ojochal Properties, and today we're here at my new listing. You can see we've got a beautiful waterfall behind me. We have 4 swimming holes right here in this little area. We've got an ocean view, we've got a mountain view, we've got a guest house, we've got a yoga platform, and we've got room to build more. If you'd like to know more about this property, please contact me from the information on the screen.